Hot Wheels Real Riders Set 4 has arrived really quickly. I just ordered these things. They just released them like 2 weeks ago, something like that. And they're already here. It's a cool set. It's a racing set. As you notice from those little tiny 12 front wheels that you see there on the top left, the top left and the top bottom sets appear to go together because obviously you're not going to put those little tiny bicycle wheels on the rear of a car, on the rear of a dragster. And those back wheels are too big for the front of any car. So although they don't say it, it appears that those are to go together. And that's how I'm going to show them here in a little bit. It's a cool set. It was difficult to figure out a casting to use to show you these on because I didn't want to drag out a dragster casting because some of the wheels obviously are going to look stupid on a dragster. I could go with anything from, what I ended up going with, all the way to like maybe a Lamborghini Countach for some of them, to a flat-out dragster for some of them. So you're going to laugh when you see these on the casting I chose. But anyhow, I'm giving you an idea of the sizes again on these. And naturally, this is rough because the tires are soft, but at least you'll have an idea if you order these. If you know the car you're trying to put them on, this will give you an idea if the size will work for you or not. Out of all of these sets, I love that set there, the Oval Track. Oval Track Thick, I think it is. I can't see it because of my fat thumb. Yeah. And the top right, I love the stock car set. You may notice those are chromed. The bottom left set and the top center, the 5-spoke slotteds, are not painted. They look almost chrome in that illustration, but they're not. They're not a shiny chrome wheel. So you'll see coming up here in a second, but the sizes, it's a nice assortment of sizes. And I chose, a 68 Nova. Why not? With the Gulf livery, just to make it more interesting. So I showed those two sets in one shot here. There's the smalls up front, the bigs in the back. I assume that's what they were trying to do. The 5-spoke slotted also, like I mentioned, are not chromed. And as you can see in this picture, they look pretty nice. The Oval Track Thick, these, in my mind, I see these on imports. I think they look really good. The stock car set I love. Love this set. I wish it was a box just full of these. And they fit this casting really well, which doesn't hurt. And then the Real Riders Racing set here. I think that will go. This one has bigger wheel wells on the back of it, so on that casting. The set is still available from the Mattel website. The link to that will be in the description of the video. So I hope that gives you an idea of this wheel set. You can do some fast and easy wheel swaps with these. So thanks for watching. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.